Hey guys, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making video on gardening. Enjoy a musical tour of a colorful garden on highway road. I like gardening. Do you? This is one of my favorite place where I find myself when I need to lose myself. The best remedy for those who are lonely or unhappy is to go outside somewhere where they can be quiet, alone with the heavens, nature and God. Watch this video till the end and I hope you will enjoy. So let's watch. A beautiful garden is a work of art. To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles. So this was my new garden style video. Please hit the like button if you liked this video, and if you want me to make such more videos then let me know in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Stay home and be safe. Bye bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.